Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows high data usage or high data consumption. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button and then go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you will find network and internet. Click on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet and here you'll find the properties and you'll find metered connection. Turn this off or turn this on. Sorry for that. It should be enabled. Enable metered connection and then close this. Now make a right click at the start button and then you have to select task manager in the list of options. Now maximize the task manager window. In here in the list of options on the left pane, you will find startup apps. Now change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are they startup programs enabled on your Windows. And what you can do is you need to disable the Anesys Star startup program that should not automatically start whenever you sign in into your Windows. All you have to do is make a right click on it and select disable. Now once done, close the task manager window. Hover up to the start button and click the settings icon. Then here you have to click on Windows Update in the list of options on the left pane. You will find Pause Updates. Click on Pause for 1 week. And then close this. And then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Services. Click on Services under the best match. Scroll down to the W section and look for the Windows Update service. This one, make a right click, select properties, startup type that should be disabled. Then you have to click on apply and click on OK. And close this. And then finally, you have to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And by doing the methods, you will fix Windows high data usage or consumption. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.